Most cucumber salads gets watery within an hour. This one stays creamy and crispy for up to 3 days. Let's make the perfect creamy cucumber salad for summer. So first, let's prepare the cucumbers. I'm using 4 because mine are on the smaller side, but if yours are bigger, you can use 2 or 3, and this will be plenty. Trim off the ends and top, then cut them into small cubes. We want the cubes as small as you possibly can. Now, as we are done with the cucumber, now let's make the creamy dressing. In a bowl, add 2 cups of plain full-fat yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if this is what you have. To that, 1 tablespoon of sour cream for extra creaminess and a little tang. 1 garlic clove, pressed or finely minced. The juice of 1 fresh lemon. And finally, 1 tablespoon of dried mint for that fresh summer flavor. Now mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Now let's finish our salad. Add the cucumbers along with 1 shredded carrot. You can absolutely make this with just cucumbers, but the shredded carrot adds a little sweetness, color, and crunch that goes so well with the creamy dressing. I've got 1 more summer salad coming. Stick around, I'll show you the next one at the end. Now back to our salad. Mix everything together until every piece is coated. Then season with salt to taste. This is one of those recipes anyone can make with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. No stove, no oven, just a few minutes of prep and it's ready to enjoy. This salad can stay in the fridge for up to 3 days, so feel free to make it ahead and eat it whenever you want. 1 teaspoon of salt is enough for me. And there you have it. I like to finish mine with a sprinkle of extra dried mint on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. Day 2 is this quick, refreshing Greek salad. If you guessed it right, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.